Next, I'll demonstrate the closed buttonhole stitch. Using 6 strands of color number 3. Bring needle up at far right. Take down at triangle center. Don't pull tight. Leave some thread on fabric. Come up here, forming a buttonhole shape. Then back down at center. Again, don't pull tight. Come up directly above. Back down at center. Don't pull tight. Let me show again. Don't pull tight. Come up at upper right. Back down at center. Come up at center. Take down again. Come up at upper left. Creating continuous buttonhole shape. Following these steps. Complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches consistent. For beautiful pattern lines. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.